welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cecelia O World. How are you doing today? In today's video, I'll be talking about another episode of Let's Talk About Your Home. And what am I doing today? I will be turning this air freshener dispenser into a Glam. And just join in with me and let's turn this hair freshener into a Glam. If you're new to this YouTube channel, welcome. This is Cecelia O World YouTube channel. On this YouTube channel, I discuss a lot about home decoration and budget, healthy diet, different DIY life work, and family. So please try to check out all my videos. I bet you will learn. So, without further delay, let's turn this air freshener dispenser into a Glam. Stay with me. So, these are the materials that I will be using to turn this air freshener diffuser to a Glam. I have the silver metallic paint that I'll be using, and I have the gold metallic paint that I'll be using. And I'll be spraying the petals in silver, and I'll be spraying the air freshener diffuser in gold. So this is what I'll be doing now. First, I'm going to start by spraying the So this hair freshener diffuser is done. The next thing I'm going to do now is to put the rose petals on it, and I'll be using that. Let's go. This is done. I was able to change this hair freshener diffuser into a Glam. This is done. Let me know what you think in the comment section. If you like this design, you can also try it at home. This is another way to add Glam into your home without breaking a back. And I will be putting the dispenser in this, and I'll be showing you how this looks. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and until next time when I come your way, it's still your girl Cecelia O. I love you all. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video.